Okay, my guess is that you're really getting the hang of this. This is the last bit. This is going to be really short. And this is the last bit of 11.4 for our work with inequalities. So go ahead and do these three problems. Make sure that on number 6, well, actually on all of them, that you're distributing that number amongst the parentheses, those things in parentheses. So 2 times k, 2 times -5. So that would be 2k minus 10. Okay, and then solve from there. These three problems, if you can do these three problems, you're really starting to come along, especially if you can do the graphing part. So pause the video, do the work, and I'll see you on the next page. All right, so here are some answers for you. K is less than 8, so right away less than light circle, less light. And then n is greater than 2, again, just greater than, it's going to be a light circle. And then here y is greater than or equal to. Now note that this one changed because it started off with less than, and it changed because somewhere along those lines you had to divide by, no, you did not have to divide by negative. I'm sorry, they just wrote it, they had it y on the right side. So anyway, again, that one is greater than and equal to, and so it is the dark circle. All right, as I said, this video is short. Here's our mini assessment, and go ahead, in these 4 problems, if you can do those, you're going to be set for today. You're going to be really set. So do those 4 problems in your notebook, and I've got answers for you on the next slide. All right, so there are your answers, and you can look at those answers. These are really good problems. So if you were successful on 4 out of 4, you are rock solid. And if you have any questions when we're all back together, I will connect with you and we will go over this. We're going to have a day or 2 of review. So not to worry if there's something you're not understanding. So go ahead and jump into your journal pages and do those pages, because those are really going to be prepping you for your big ideas work. And then if you do all that work and big ideas too, you'll get a great score. All right, thanks for sticking with me on this, and have a great weekend.